Hi, a few days ago I finally got myself upgraded my audio to the Insta 360 Micro Pro microphones. I've set of two of them and I'll just show you what's in the box now, and I'll give you a demonstration what it actually sounds like. I'm caught using my Go Ultra obviously to film this, but so I'm caught using the onboard sound of the Go Ultra. Anyway, here is the box, so let's open it up. Come out the box. There you go. Wow, there you go, look. First two microphones there. This must be a carry case or something, I think. I'll just take it off. Carry case, the charging case, and that is the USB charger, but you can do other settings on there for each microphone. And obviously the thing is go in there for charging. You've got the charging parts there, look. Which probably means the wind muffs are probably in that bit there, but that's a charging case. And oh, it's lit up. And obviously that's the obviously where you charge, you put your cable obviously to charge it up. Here's the accessory box, so let's see what's in here. Oh, that's a wind muff. So the people see, that's the two wind muffs inside there, look. For the cameras, for the microphones. And this should be the carry case. Oh, there's a 2.5mm lead there. And charging cable, and oh, that inside that'd be the USB adapter for plug into your phone and things. So that just leaves the carry case. Just open the carry case up. From what I've heard though, the muffs won't go inside the charging case while the microphone's in there. It's just not room enough, so they'll have to go inside this. Right, that's a good sign. Look at that. That's a nice little carry bag, isn't it? specifically just for the microphones and charging case. I think you get the wing muffs in probably in there or something. Anyway, I'll switch to the microphone soon and turn them on. Hopefully, maybe it might need a bit of charging up first though. As you see, these microphones you can got e-ink going on, and you can upload your own logo to the front, and they have 4 directions: cardioid, omnidirectional, and something, a few other things. But you can upload your own logo to the screens on the microphones. So I'll hopefully show you that next. The receiver, which you can plug into the Go Ultra or whatever with the adapter. Does it turn on? So you need to connect to the app and everything first, and that is a cold shoe mount, so you can put it on top of the cameras as well. No professional cameras, you can do that too with that one. Well, let's get the thing properly up and running. Carry bag. Leave it in now. There's a charging case. I think it's more like a bit like a power bank, but once you put the thing in, it just automatically charges it. I might charge just the foot. There's clips here. I actually go there in there. However, I haven't quite forget how to set the clips off yet, because I much prefer the button magnet things. I much prefer the button magnets for using them. And that's the mobile phone adapter. Click into phones, and obviously the camera, which obviously right now I'm using is the Go Ultra. And the carrying case. Just slide away like that. I think the biggest problem right now is actually figuring out how to take the clips off the microphones. But I'll show you a demonstration of the microphones and the e-ink thingy very shortly. But I like absolutely brilliant. I'll say I only got it a day or so ago. But I prefer magnet mounts for microphones and stuff like that. But like with the mic air. Actually, I like I quite like magnet mounts in general, to be honest. Okay, so I got one clip off, but I'll try and get rid of one. But right now, I want to get that one working. See, they've got the clips on the background there. I got the clip from that one, go to there. The electric mouse for the clips are there, and the microphones right up here. I'll show you a bit more in a moment. Those clips are a pain in the backside, honestly. I don't like clips, especially on microphones. Right, next see me, I'll show you me connecting the microphone to the Insta app.
Certainly somebody ought to make him comfortable before you get started.
So as you can see,
it seems Mrs. Troy is our acting ambassador of goodwill for today.
You just think of me as your entertainment.
Telephone receiver, the microphone on working over there.
That man's in
I'm just about
trouble.
to plug it into my phone. Show you how it works. I'll do the customization thing. Then I'm going to record something. Take the phone right to the mic. Just flashed a few seconds there. We'll find where we're going in. Here are some of the settings. This is for the receiver. Oh, that one's TX2, that one. So obviously that one's TX1. Got one still got a clip on this TX1. So you got something like auto gain control, stereo loop, power thing is. I think I probably like auto gain control myself. Omnidirectional voice focus, cardioid and figure 8. I think the figure 8 is more for if you're talking to somebody. Voice focus is if you're sort of away from the camera, it sort of does it in front of you. I think omnidirectional cardioid is like the voice funnel, like when you got it on your when you're wearing it, and it's picking up the sound from the voice above, sort of thing. I think I'll try quite cardioid on my chest in a moment. What I want to do though is change the picture on the microphone. Give me a sec. That's a magnetic mount. I prefer magnetic mounts for pendant and bloody clips. You can see, look on the app, there's a custom wallpaper option. Just to show it working. I did it by itself there. Just to give you an example, look, now I'll put my arm on. And then I'll watch it change. Now I'll put my own logo on in a moment. And you'll see the microphone change to that. Wow, look at that, isn't that blue? You can have your own logo and everything too. We've got a few others on the up here. Emojis. Look at all the emojis. Look. Greetings. Oh, I picked one. Look. Blue. Sports. City, character, avatar, bit of art, the label, Insta 261s. What I want to do though is add my own YouTube channel one. Just think I'll use that one. Or you didn't see that other picture, did you? Honestly, you didn't. Yeah, that looks alright, doesn't it? Oh no, I don't want to hide up. There we go. Here can my own YouTube channel logo will be going on there right now. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that looks brilliant. Oh, that looks brilliant, that does. And I'll just change the microphone setting to cardioid, and I'll try it properly. But that's got my YouTube channel logo on it. Look. Changing the settings, and obviously when I plug it, if I'm going to use both microphones, I need to connect that receiver into my Go Ultra if I'm using both, but I'm just using the one right now. So all I have to do next is connect the microphone by Bluetooth to the Go Ultra, and I should be ready to go. Obviously I'm doing it inside, so I don't really need the wind wolf, depends on the weather anyway, doesn't it? So that's the next thing, and then I'll do a quick test of sound, and then that's this boring video done. But that is brilliant. I love the e-ink thing. We can put your channel logo or any other picture you want on the microphone, and it's got 4 different directions. Look, you could do 4 different sound directions. I put it on auto gain because so it will automatically be louder, or should be. We do all these settings in it when you plug this into your phone. Through the app, Insta app, and you can put any picture you want. So for your YouTube channel, you put whatever you want, but you probably put your YouTube channel logo in there, like I have. You can see the Jason Cleethorpes logo there. Here we are. I finally got it going. I haven't got everything right, I don't think. But as you can see, I've